Hello guys and welcome back into your brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch TikTok account type on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now, let's open our TikTok app so we can access to our settings. And to do so, you will want to go to your profile picture or this profile tab that will be shown in the bottom toolbar or menu. And then it will take you to your profile. After that, we want to click on these three horizontal lines that would allow us to go to the settings and privacy or just the setting menu of our TikTok app. So by clicking on it, you will want to go to settings and privacy. Now we are here in the settings and privacy. What we are interested in is to go to the account section. And from the account section, we will have these three options, which are account, security and permission, and share profile. By clicking on account, it will allow you to go to your account settings. So from here, as you guessed right, you will have this option that says switch to business account because I'm using now the personal account. And by clicking on it, it will take me or it will allow me to switch to my personal account. So I'm just going to click next and you can now set your business account, etc. Then I will just like skip and etc. And now we have my business account that is set up. And if you want to do the opposite again, you go to settings, privacy, accounts, and then you will be able to switch to your personal account. And here I'm just going to click on switch anyway. So here first, if you switch to your account type, you will lose all the business account features. Your account will no longer show you business websites and email, and you will still be responsible for any violation you received on your business account. And then you click on switch anyway, and now you have your personal account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.